Alrighty, problem number 5. It reads in the accompanying diagram, triangle QRS, okay, triangle QRS is similar to triangle LMN, okay? And then it gives me a bunch of lengths, which they've already filled in. And the reason why I'm writing that out is, you see how the triangle on the left is rotated? It's not facing the same way, or we gotta figure out how we can redraw QRS so that it matches up with LMN. And in order to do that, I need to pay attention that this top angle matches the correct angle in here, alright? So this top angle on the right triangle is M. So that corresponds to the middle letter here. So this angle M is going to be congruent to the angle R because they're similar. So yeah, I gotta swing this down a bit. So I'm going to redraw it so that Q is still here, S is here now, and R is up here. Alright, and then I'm going to fill in those numbers, 30, 27, and 21, right? RQ is 30, and you can check the rest, right? So now my diagrams look good. I'm ready to answer their question. What is the length of ML? What is the length of this side here? So I'm looking at these two sides. I'll call this X. So I'm going to create a proportion of the ratio of my corresponding sides. So in the smaller triangle, X corresponds to 30, and that will be equal to, they give me 7, down here they give me 7, so 7 corresponds to 21, alright? There's my proportion of corresponding sides in a ratio. And I will cross multiply, I'll get 21x, and oh boy, 21x equals 7 times 30. That's beyond my mental capacity. So I'm going to open up my handy dandy calculator, okay, and then I'll do 7 times 30. Let's see what we get here. 210. Alright, so I'm going to get 21x equals 210. If I divide both sides by 21, divide both sides by 21, you know, this is division, and saying, what do you have to multiply your denominator by to get your numerator, right? When you figure that out, that will be the answer of this fraction. Well, 21 times 10 gives me this 210, so x is really just 10. X is 10. And what did x represent? It represented that side I was looking for. So the length of ML is certainly 10. And we can check if that makes sense. What do you have to multiply 7 by to get to 21? Well, you got to multiply by 3. Okay? Well, because these triangles are similar, the sides are in proportion. I should take this 10, and if I multiply it by 3, that should give me the corresponding side, and in fact it does. And that's the quick way to do this as well. I'll see you in the next one.